Good morning, everyone. This is Mahir with Trudor Property Management, here to present you 7735 Newman Avenue in Huntington Beach. This is an upper level condo, and right when you walk in, you will be greeted with the living area with a nice fireplace, pretty open area. And then off to the right, you have a nice light fixture inside the dining room here. Nice wood laminate floorings. And then you will be greeted with the kitchen, freshly upgraded. Nice backsplash here with quartz countertops. Good size sink. And stainless steel appliances all the way around as well. And then just also in the kitchen, you will have the laundry area. It does kind of hide away when you close the doors. Stackable washer and dryer. With some extra storage here as well. And then I will take you through the hallway to the first bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Upgraded bathroom as well. Subway tiles all the way to the ceiling in the shower. And some nice tiled flooring. Again, the quartz countertops here. So all in all, a very, very nice bathroom. And then this would be the second bedroom as well. Has access to the balcony outside, and then it does have mirrored closet doors here as well. And then I will take you across the hall to the master bedroom. Here is the master. Nice open space here. Also wall-to-wall closet with mirrored doors here. Again, this one also has access to the balcony outside, which I'll take you to in a second. And then here is the bathroom, the master bath. Again, same style, tiled flooring, quartz countertops, and then the same style shower as well. So subway tiles all the way to the ceiling, jet tub, and some extra space for storage on the other side. And then I will take you outside to the balcony area. It does offer a nice little space for you to kind of come outside and enjoy. And this is the view that you have of Huntington Beach. And again, this is 7735 Newman Avenue in Huntington Beach. Again, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Upper level condo. There is a pool and a tennis court right outside of the complex here. So if you believe that this might work for you, please visit our website at www.trudorpm.com to submit your application. Thanks for stopping by.